What you're about to see is not just a factory. From silence to absolute precision.
At the beginning, life moves quietly across the open fields.
The Pride begins its calm movement across the open land.
Even in stillness, awareness never fades.
Every path leads deeper into control and direction.
The pride gathers as the journey continues forward.
And here, the path leads toward the next stage.
At the loading zone, preparation begins with precise coordination.
Each step is guided with controlled and steady movement.
The transition into transport begins quietly and carefully.
One by one, the Pride moves into controlled transport space.
The final member joins as the loading phase completes.
Now, the journey prepares to move beyond the farm.
With the load secured, the journey begins beyond the farm.
The road stretches forward toward the industrial zone.
Stability defines every kilometer of the journey. The environment begins to shift toward industry. A new world of processing rises ahead.
And now, the journey reaches the processing facility.
At the factory gates, controlled flow begins on a large scale. Each truck is precisely positioned for synchronized unloading.
Movement is carefully guided from transport to ground level.
At scale, precision keeps every movement in harmony.
The Pride transitions from open yard into structured pathways. With unloading complete, the system moves deeper inside the factory.
Inside the facility, the environment becomes fully controlled and secure.
Every step follows a structured and guided pathway.
The observation chamber opens with precise mechanical control.
Movement slows as the space defines a calm holding stage.
The environment stabilizes into controlled observation.
Inside the facility, yellow raw hides enter the washing stage.
The system begins a controlled cleaning process. Precision washing enhances surface clarity and uniformity.
Totem. Each stage, retouch stage, refines the material further.
The material stabilizes before the next stage begins. And now, the cleaned material moves toward transformation.
After washing, the yellow material enters a controlled conditioning phase. Controlled tension prepares the surface for uniform shaping.
Pressure transfolds structure into a uniform sheet.
Refinement enhances consistency across every sheet.
The material now takes its final leather sheet form. And now, the cleaned material moves toward transformation. Now the refined yellow leather enters the precision cutting hall.
Digital precision defines every shoe component.
Machines execute each cut with exact precision. Each piece becomes part of a structured shoe design.
Every edge is refined for perfect shoe formation.
And now, the cut components are ready for shoe assembly.
The process now moves into precise shoe assembly. Every stitch defines the structure of the final shoe. Upper and sole unit under controlled precision. Heat and pressure finalize structural integrity.
Each pair passes strict quality inspection.
From raw material to refined design, the transformation is complete.
The final stage begins as perfection moves toward presentation.
Each pair is carefully protected for its final form.
Presentation is crafted with precision and care. Every detail carries the mark of craftsmanship.
Before departure, perfection is confirmed one last time.
From raw material to refined luxury, the journey is complete.